Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to translate an article on the Wikipedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then select an article that you want to read, and after that you should tap on this A icon down below, which is the second option. As you can see, you can change the language of the text here. You have some languages recommended here at the other languages section, but feel free to type in the name of your language that you are searching for in the find language bar. This is the search bar at the top. So select a language, tap on it, and then you will be able to read it. As you can see, it has been changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.